Hey everybody, it's Leslie with Color with Diamonds. So you finally got your first diamond painting kit and you can't wait to get started. You've had a chance to check out all the tools inside and you pretty much know what they are and how to use them. You've looked at all the beautiful bright colors of diamonds that are included and you wonder, what's next? Well, we have something in the diamond painting world called kitting, K-I-T-T-I-N-G. And today's video is going to help you understand how to kit a diamond painting properly. And basically all that means is organizing your diamonds, which helps you be a lot more efficient and organized. And so one of the ways that we're going to do that today is using a Darice storage container and a Xyron sticker maker. And I'll go ahead and show you guys that in a moment. So this particular kit that I received, I really like when the sellers put their diamonds in little Ziploc baggies for you. A lot of times the diamonds come in these cellophane packages that you have to tear open and they're not resealable. So you're going to have to transfer them either into a bag or directly into your storage container. So as you can see, the codes on here are the middle code is the DMC number. And then the first number is corresponds to the color chart. So this is the third color in this painting. It's DMC code 307, and I should have 1,496 diamonds. Most sellers include at least 20 to 30% excess in diamonds, so you should be fine. But just at a glance, this looks like it's well over 1,500 diamonds in this package. So we should be good. Now, you can definitely work out of this bag. It's not necessary to transfer them into any kind of storage container. If you have like a Birchbox subscription, you can definitely use the box for that, or whatever box you might have lying around the house. Just make sure to organize them by DMC number, which helps you stay a lot more efficient and go faster. But if you want to transfer them into a different storage container, then I would recommend go ahead and sorting your diamonds by DMC. So that's the 300, and then I have 800s here, 700s, and so forth. So you get the idea. Just get them organized by DMC code, and that'll tell you what size storage container you need for that particular color. So today I'm going to be using the Darice, D-A-R-I-C-E storage container. And I really like this case, you guys, because it's got 4 different sizes in it. It's got the small, the medium, the large, and the extra large options. Each container seals, so you're not going to have to worry about them getting mixed up together or anything like that. But so for this particular color, this is the 820, I would probably use one of the larger containers for that. And I found this particular container on Amazon, and they have sales on them all the time. I think they're running right now about $15, which is a really great bargain for this particular container. So that is what we're going to be using today. Now, one of my tips to combat static issues is to use a good old-fashioned fabric softener sheet. And all you basically would do is just cut out a strip. You really don't need a lot. This whole sheet is plenty enough to organize and use for this particular painting. And so you just need a square about that size. And then what you're going to go ahead and do is find the number that you're going to transfer here. And then what I do is I take that fabric softener sheet and I just kind of wipe it around on the inside of the container, and then I just leave it in there. I'll transfer my diamonds into the container. You can also do this using a mini funnel. I think you can find them at the dollar store, 5 for $1, or online. They're very inexpensive, but I'm not really seeing much of a static issue with these diamonds, which is great. So the fabric softener sheet in there should be more than sufficient to take care of any kind of static issues. So once I have the diamonds in there, it's locked up tight. I just give it a good shake, and that just makes sure to get rid of all the static in there. Now, if you find that you have diamonds that are super extra staticky and the fabric softener sheet doesn't really seem to make a difference, you may have to consider rinsing or washing your diamonds. And there's a couple different ways you can do that. So be sure to stay tuned because I'll go ahead and create a separate video on the different ways that you can clean your diamonds. So that is all set. Now what I did is for this particular kit, I used my Xyron sticker maker. And I photocopied the canvas off, or the color key chart off of my canvas at a 75% size. And then I used my handy dandy Xyron sticker maker machine with repositionable refill here. And so then I'm going to go ahead and find the corresponding DMC number and stick the sticker on there, which is really nice because it's repositionable. So when I'm done with my painting, I can just take the sticker off and use it for however I use my long-term storage for these. So you're all set. Now, if you don't have the Xyron sticker maker, no problem. The dairy storage container comes with a sticker sheet. So you would just write your DMC code on there and just go ahead and stick it right to your container. Easy peasy. And that is how you kit your diamond painting. Once you're organized, you're efficient and ready to go. And just let us know if you have any questions. Feel free to drop your questions down below. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for lots more helpful and useful videos. And don't forget to check out our website, colorwithdiamonds.com. Feel free to join our awesome Facebook group, Color with Diamonds. We'd love to have you. And that's it. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. And don't forget to enjoy the journey. Take care, everybody. Bye.